dear. I got a new kind of American type cheese today. It's whipped.
Why do you get American when I like Swiss?
I just thought it's like a change.
I don't want cheese, I want Swiss cheese. Why am I always being consistent?
Okay.
Why don't you open a window in here? For God's sake!
They're open, dear.
Babe, where are you? You're supposed to study with me today.
Hey, look at Bernard. What are you looking so anemic about beef?
She's got to study, Uncle Willie. She's got redent next week.
Let's box, Bernard.
Beep, listen, Beep. I heard Mr. Birnbaum that if you could not start studying math, he's gonna flunk you and you won't graduate. I heard him.